Liz here. Today I really want to share a healthy code with you. True self-love is not bath salts and chocolate cake. It's making a choice to build a life you don't need to escape from. It's a quote from Brianna Witt. So it's our choice to make our life better. Today I'm going to share a healthy recipe. It's chocolate cookie, chocolate chips cookie. Let's start it. I have 1/3 coconut flour. Put in one bowl. 1 more tablespoon. 1/4 cup coconut oil. 1/4 cup maple syrup. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. 2 eggs. 1/3 cup milk chocolate chip. Now we can mix everything in one bowl. Now become a dough like this. Okay, it's ready to go into the oven. I preheat my oven 200 degrees and then I will bake it for 15 minutes. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Cheers. It's nut-free, flourless, healthy cookie. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will update my videos every Friday. Hope to see you soon.